Hey guys, thanks again for joining us on the farm. It's a beautiful blustery day here in the Willamette Valley of Oregon as we got some rain front leaving and a nice warm weather front moving on through. So we are out standing in our fescue hayfield right now, kind of taking a look at things. We are looking to make hay starting here in the next couple of days. So one of the key things we do on the farm with everything is we are all about quality over quantity. And with our beef, with our gardening, and especially with our hay, because our hay is what provides a lot of the nutrition and the supplement to our cows to help them grow, as well as generates a little bit of income for us when we sell it out of the field. So with cutting hay, there's a nice fine balance between having good forage, good protein, and a lot of forage. So if you would look at a graph, and there'd be two lines on it, one with forage quality and one with forage quantity. Based on the different stages of the grass, you're going to find a nice key area there where those are going to intersect, where you're going to want to harvest. So we always look for that. That's in typically around the boot stage, late boot stage of the grass. And for us, that typically falls around the second, third week in May. This year, we're a little bit later. We're going to be in the fourth week of May, 1st of June, cutting this grass. And it's going to be in that late boot stage, just starting to get seed heads into, it's not quite bloomed yet, but we're getting close. So our quality is going to be a little bit less this year, but we're going to have a little more tonnage. But we've had a little bit of intermittent rain that did not allow us to get into the fields earlier this year. We did actually get in and make a little bit of hay on some stuff down along the lake where it's a little drier typically, but that just allowed us to get in and test out the baler and the cutter and get a few kinks worked out after sitting over the winter. So why do we want to harvest in this key area? Why don't we want to just harvest and get as much hay as we can? Well, when it comes to feeding cattle, nutrition and the quality of your nutrition matters a lot. So if I am going for just having mass amounts of hay at a lower quality, I'm going to end up feeding more hay to get the same nutritional value as I would feeding a higher quality hay but getting less tonnage in the field. So in the long run, I'm going to be better off having less tons feeding higher quality than having more tons feeding a less quality. This also allows us to sell a good quality hay to our customers that come back every year for this, because they know that they're feeding something that is good and it's going to meet those nutritional values of their animals. So we have this endophyte-free forage fescue hay that we've put in about 8 years ago now. It was developed by Baron Brug here in Tangent, Oregon, and it's worked really well for us. We graze it, and then we also make hay off of it. In our pastures where we graze it, we intensive graze it, and it is a high quality feed that our cows love and stay in good condition on. We also this year have a new field of orchard grass that we no-tilled in over there, well, you can't see it, over that way at my parents' place that we're going to take a cutting off of for the first time this year. So we're looking forward to trying that and seeing out how that works and seeing what kind of hay we can make over there. So over the next couple days, we're going to be cutting hay, raking hay, then hopefully next week baling hay when we got some nice hot weather. And that's, like I said, that's why this wind is coming in. It's that new front coming through, and that's why we got a lot of wind today. So join us in the next couple videos as we take you through that process. We'll see you guys later.